Hello, I am Arnab Chakraborty. I am having more than 26 years of academic teaching and more than 13 years of corporate training experiences. I've conducted training programs for more than 170 corporates across the world, and for different countries, for different companies. I conducted multiple batches, and for Accenture only, I conducted more than 36 batches. For IBM, more than 27 batches. For Ericsson, more than 26 batches, and so many companies in my list. So you might have seen me on the YouTube, because I'm having more than 2,500 videos on the YouTubes divided into 31 different subjects and album. So I'm associated with this CodeChef and Unacademy conducting their courses. So I hope that this journey of learning will be very much resourceful and purposeful for all of us. Today's class title is Intermediate Problem Solving Using Loops. We shall take some problems which will be from the intermediate level, and we shall discuss lots of ways in which we can solve the same problem. So obviously you'll be enjoying this particular class. If you have watched our previous classes, then obviously you are having a background to understand this, or those students will be joining to this class for the first time. So if they have any kind of programming background, they will be learning this one with all comfort. In this class, we shall give you some special problem solve, and I shall show you that how we can do the dry run of our code. We shall use the concept of flowchart to describe the logic of a program and how to implement that one. To join this particular class, the link has been provided here, and you can click on the link to get the more details about the class timing, the class duration, and the respective purpose of the class. You can use my referral code ORNOP10 for joining the class. You can join here, and let's have a lots of fun of learning. Thank you.